You can make music with a clean sheet of paper and you can write out what that sound is going to be. But in our world, we can start with a clean raw material and we can write that out as to how we're going to make that into a product, how we're going to manufacture that solution.
Emit is a metal manufacturing company. We take raw, flat steel and we build products out of that steel.
You know, the energy sector will always be the core of Emit's business, and it's taught us so much over the last 20 years and provided us with opportunities to leverage the work that we've done for those customers into more contract manufacturing opportunities. We've learned several lessons over the years, and within the last 6 to 9 months, we've really been able to take those lessons learned and apply them to, you know, new business to diversify the work that we're doing today.
With this new facility, we truly built a facility around our product. We've taken a huge step forward in making Emit this worldwide brand based off this facility that we have.
It's really easy to use a story. One of the really cool things that we do for customers that really, you know, sets a precedence with them is when they put together the base frame of whatever they're doing from a, you know, a structural steel standpoint. All of these products that we currently do, we call them skids. They're made out of usually I-beam and square tubing and channel. We can send these to a customer in a kit. What I mean by that is every single piece of I-beam, square tubing, channel, angle iron is laser etched with an item number that's been notched and tabbed, and it's bundled together and shows up on a truck so that they can literally unload it and assemble it on their floor by using what we call a BOM, or a bill of material, and a drawing to say 1A goes to 1B, and they put this thing together, and some of them are extremely elaborate, and you know, there's a lot of moving pieces, 138 to 200 moving pieces that they can assemble. Like I said, used to take them anywhere from 6 to 8 to 10 hours in some cases to put these together, and now they're doing them in 45 minutes to an hour and a half. So it's really cool to see what we can do and what we're doing for our customers right now.
When I walked through those doors on my first day, I was like, "This is for real. This is a time to shine. I'm ready for the challenge."
I would say the thing that stood out the most was definitely the culture. I noticed all of the slogans and the mottos, all as they relate to working hard. That, from the get-go, was what stood out the most to me. Closely followed by the people at Emit, close-knit, and all working towards the same vision.